Hey everyone, and welcome. Ever been curious about the magic behind artificial intelligence? Things like self driving cars, personalized recommendations, and even those cool AI art generators? Well, a lot of that magic is built using tools like Google AI Studio. Think of Google AI Studio as your personal AI workshop. It's a free web based platform provided by Google where you can build and experiment with machine learning models. Imagine having all the tools you need, like a super powered computer, pre-installed software, and even access to massive data sets, all in one place. That's AI Studio. At the heart of AI Studio are something called notebooks. These are like your digital lab books where you write the code to train your AI models. Don't worry if you're not a coding whiz. AI Studio makes it easy to get started, even if you're a beginner. It's like following a recipe. You have step by step instructions to build your AI. Now, training AI models can require a lot of computing power. That's where the cloud comes in. AI Studio is connected to Google's powerful cloud computing resources. This means you can train even complex models without needing a supercomputer at home. It's like having a whole data center at your fingertips. So, why should you care about AI Studio? Well, it lowers the barrier to entry for anyone wanting to learn and experiment with AI. Whether you're a student, a developer, or just someone curious about this exciting field, AI Studio provides a fantastic platform to unleash your creativity and build something amazing. Ready to dive in? It's super easy to get started. Just head over to the AI Studio website. I'll put a link in the description below, and you can create a free account. There are tons of tutorials and examples to guide you, so you'll be building your first AI model in no time. The future is AI, and with tools like Google AI Studio, that future is more accessible than ever. So go check it out, explore, and start building. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.